So by now you should have a pretty good idea of the Shopify admin area and Oberlo and AliExpress. And what we need to do now is we need to set up some collections or categories so that we can add our products from AliExpress directly into that category. So what you need to do is come over to the left-hand menu and go to where it says Products and click Collections and simply click Create Collection. So think of this as a category. I find it a lot easier to think of it as a category anyway. So what are we going to put here? So what we might put, I think, is we'll make a menu item, which if we go to our Payless Plaza store, you can see at the moment we have home, we have catalog and mobile phones and women's jewellery up the top here. Okay, I've actually added mobile phones and women's jewellery previously. If you're brand new to Shopify, which you probably are, it's only going to say home and catalog. Don't worry about mobile phones or women's jewellery at the moment. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our admin and back into our collections, add collection, and what we will do is we'll make this category earrings. Okay, so we'll title it earrings, and in the description we can just type something really simple for this purpose. So we'll just type fashionable women's earrings, fashionable women's earrings. That's just the description of the category. It's not really that critical at this stage. If we go down, change this conditions, change this so it says manually select products. It works better with the Oberlo app. And if right down the bottom here, you can see it says search engine listings preview. So it's already come up with a URL, paylessplaza.myshopify.com collections earrings. Okay, image. You can upload an image. Now images, I think from memory, are 526 pixels by 526 pixels for the collection image here. So I already have earrings somewhere under a different shop I had. Images, category images, earrings. So I know that these are already 526 by 526. I'll just select one of these and there you go. So the collection creation is really easy. It's just, that's all it is. So just click Save Collection. Now if you go back and click Collections on the left hand side, you'll see that we now have a collection that says earrings. It's the only collection we have at the moment. So let's go back to Oberlo, to where we had our earrings, and if we go back to where was it? Yeah, product, and choose collections, it's not coming up. I'll need to refresh the page. But this time it should work. There we go. See, earrings is now dropped down under where it says collections on the product tab in our Oberlo app. And this is the collection that we've just created within Shopify. So if we were coming here for the first time, this would already be here. We click earrings and then it's actually saved these earrings within that collection. Okay, so really easy. So we've done everything else. All we need to do now is click Push to Shop. It says your import list is empty, but it's now sent that product to our Shopify store. So we'll go back to our admin and we'll go to products and you'll see that the earrings have appeared under our product list. So how easy was that? Now I'm going to do one more really quickly to show you how fast and easy it is once you know what you're doing. So let's quickly go back to AliExpress. I'm going to pick one really quickly. This one here, orders, 26,000 orders. It's got a good seller rating. It's got 4 diamonds, which isn't too bad. It's $1.79 shipping using ePacket. I could go into the description here. And what I can do here is I can have a quick glance at everything else just to make sure. Fairly simple earrings, aren't they? I've actually just noticed that they have a different style here. See how they've got some round ones because of the photos here? So it's like these ones that are just a straight line. They're popular nonetheless. And down the bottom here it has a picture of some round ones. If that's true, it will actually add these to our variants. So this is not a bad example to show you. So again, we can just check the feedback. And actually you can see here that people have left a lot of feedback. But I'm just showing you this for speed. So if we go back down to the bottom right hand corner, click the blue circle with the tag. Up the top it says product imported successfully, open import list. Go down the left hand menu in Obolo. It's actually already updated automatically for me, so I don't have to worry about that. Just go back to where I was. Import list. So it's here. So again, I'm going to do this really quickly. Product will punk black gold silver earrings. I'm going to get rid of everything else. Add it to my earrings collection. Choose type earrings. Now the type I'll be able to show you in just a few minutes, but that's really for finding the type of product within our admin area, and then tags, obviously another search option. Description, I'll just leave I'll leave that how it is for now. Variants, so remember I said there was quite a few different variants on this one, and we can remove them. That's not a problem if you don't want to have so many variants, but as you can see there are quite a few different variants. There's circular ones, there's ones that are a straight line, there's silver, black, gold circle. The pricing, remember we're buying these for $1.34, sorry. We'll make this $9.97 by selecting the change all prices. $9.97, apply. It's changed all of the prices to $9.97. The compared at price, we'll change this to $19.97 again. Oops, I meant to use the change all prices box. I'll do that again. $19.97. Click apply and it will change all these prices to $19.97. Now, if you don't want to show a sale price or a reduced price, you can just leave this blank. You can change this to 0 as so. And now it won't show any sale price. It'll just show the price. Okay, but we'll change this to $19.97 for demonstration purposes. We'll leave all the images as they are because there should be, with the variants, they will include all the variant images, so that's fine. And we simply push to shop. And we're done. If we go back to our products within our Shopify admin, you'll see that they have been added. So if we now click and go deeper into our products that have just been added, you'll see that all that information has been imported automatically into our Shopify store. And if there is anything that we want to change, if we want to change the title, if we want to change the description, the images, and even the variants, we can do that all within Shopify at any time. So after you've sent all your products through Oberlo, it doesn't mean that you can't change it. You can edit it anytime. You can edit your products anytime within Shopify. But it's just the speed at which you can do it. I'm going to do a really fast version now. So let's go back to AliExpress and find some earrings. I'm just going to go for the next one here. Click the blue tab. Product has been imported. Just try that again. Click the blue tab. This product has already been imported. Okay, so for some reason that did go through, but it didn't initially. So we go to our import list. One reason they might take a long time, oh no, I was going to say there might be a lot of variants, but there's not. Sometimes they take a little while to import, of course, depending on your internet connection, but also if there's lots of variants, it may have to upload a ton of images at the same time into Oberlo, and that can slow it down a little bit sometime. But let's just quickly rename this Korean gold and silver plated leaf, which probably should be leaf, maybe. Crystal stud earrings, right? I'll get rid of all that extra unnecessary stuff. Choose collection, earrings, choose type, earrings, tags, earrings. Description, we'll leave as is. There are the variants. We'll quickly change the price, set new value. Again, I'm going to go with $9.97. Apply. Now, just as an example, I'm going to set this new value over here, this compare value, to 0. This will not show a compare price. So now you'll be able to see the difference between this product and the other products. Images, I won't bother with any of the images at the moment. We'll leave it as is, push to shop. So if I go back to our admin, go back to our products, you can see how quick that was to add. Okay, so these are the ones that we just added: Korean gold and silver plated leaf crystal stud earrings. And you can see the stock numbers over here. It's taken the inventory from those stores and placed it here. So 20,195 in stock. So you're not about to run out. I mean, if you sold these by the thousands, you're not going to run out in a hurry, are you? So that's fine. 3 variants. And the type. Remember we mentioned type in Oberlo? I would have to import another one, so I won't. But remember the type? That's where it comes up here. So that when you are searching for a product, if I was to type in earrings in the search bar up the top here, all the earrings would come up here. Obviously, I've only got earrings at the moment. And the vendor you can change to. I've obviously got Payless Plaza. If you had a custom store with custom branded products, that would be your store name or your brand name. So I hope you get the idea. It's not difficult. Once you've done it a few times, you'll realize how simple it is. So very, very easy. That's how to import products from AliExpress using Oberlo into your Shopify store. Super, super easy.